In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link buttons in Carrd. If you're building a one-page site or a quick portfolio, getting your buttons to send people to the right place is essential. We'll keep it simple and walk through opening your site, adding or selecting a button, adding the link, and making your changes live. First, head to carrd.so and log into your account. From your dashboard, open the site you want to edit. This will launch the Carrd editor, where you can see your page exactly as it appears and make quick changes in real time. Next, either add a new button or select one that's already on the page. To add a new one, click the plus icon labeled Add Element, then choose Button. You'll see a new button appear on the canvas. If you already have a button you want to use, simply click it so it's selected. Don't worry about the design right now. The key part is telling the button where to go. With the button selected, look to the panel that opens on the side. This is the Settings panel for the button. Find the field labeled URL. Click into that box and type or paste the link you want the button to open. This can be any full web address, like a product page, a sign-up form, your social profile, or another page on your site. Make sure the link is complete, including the HTTPS/ at the beginning, and double-check for typos. Carrd treats this just like a standard link, so shorter, clean URLs without extra tracking are better. You can also point it to a specific section on the same page by using that section's ID or to a downloadable file hosted elsewhere. While you're here, you can update the button's label text in the same panel so people instantly understand where it leads. If you're pasting from somewhere else, it's a good idea to test the link in a new tab first so you know it loads correctly. When you're happy with the link, click Done or Save in the Settings panel to apply the change to the button. That saves it in the editor, but it's not live yet. To make your update visible to visitors, click Publish. Follow the prompts, confirm the publish, and wait a moment for Carrd to update your site. Once the site is live, visit your public URL and click the button to confirm it goes exactly where you expect. If anything looks off, return to the editor, edit the URL field, save, and publish again. And that's all there is to it. Your Carrd button now links to the right destination.